What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Kenny Kunene and Julius Malema are rivals, and their relationship has been marked with periods of serious, sharp conflict. So, there is a period where Kenny Kunene referred to Malema as a small boy, and he was referring to him as a small boy, in the context of their contentious political relationship. This obviously came about, due to their competing differences in ideologies, which is causing all of these clashes. So, in essence, Kenny Kunini, when he used that phrase, small boy, he was intending to undermine Julius Malema's authority and standing. And this is where Mbweseni Ndlozi came in and actually publicly defended Julius Malema and said that there's an importance, to emphasize, a revolutionary expression, and we do not have to act like that. So Mbisini was sort of like taking Julius Malema's side, even though as much as Malema has been attacking Mbisini Ndlozi, I also still remember Malema attacking Mbisini Ndlozi and calling him names, for being like a radio DJ nowadays. But Mbuyiseni goes on to defend him even in that struggle song that he continues to sing to this very day. Mbuyiseni stood with him, and defended that song and said that it's part, of South Africa's heritage, and it's not like an expression of anything, you know what I'm saying?